Emerging from the unexpected, InWash Vorea is designed to find the perfect balance between technology and beauty. Your comfort comes first. Enjoy superior rear and front washing with a gentle mix of air and water. Discover advanced hygiene with an automatically self-sanitizing and sterilizing nozzle before and after each use, and effective drying precisely where it's needed. Maximize bathroom space with the integrated system and experience superior hygiene and powerful flushing. Every detail is considered to ensure optimum comfort and convenience. Effortlessly personalize your settings with the intuitive remote control or the basic side button. Tailor your experience and gain key insights straight from your smartphone with Roca Connect. Enjoy the ultimate bathroom experience day or night. Elevate your routine. Embrace the extraordinary. InWash Vorea. Intuitively smart.